All that you have to do to unlock the cavern levels is complete secret objectives. Secret objectives are going to be available in certain levels. All that you have to do to check if a level can unlock a hidden cavern level is look at the top of the flagpole. If it has a secret objective, the flagpole or the top is going to be blinking white. So all that you have to do is go into any of these levels and complete the objectives. Usually it is going to be a requirement of a combo, which you can do by serving dishes in the correct order as they appear at the top of the screen from left to right to increase your combo counter, or other times it is going to be by attaining a certain score. So in this video, I'm only going to show you all the requirements that you need to unlock the secret cavern levels. I will not be showing gameplay because, like I said, the process is exactly the same across all levels, but all you have to do to unlock them is complete the requirements. So as you can see, for the most part, you will have to reach a certain combo or score, and keep in mind that this might differ for single or multiplayer. Now, all the cavern levels in the base game are unlocked in levels 1-3, 2-2, 2-4, 3-1, 4-3, 4-5, 5-5, and finally 6-4. By completing the combos or reaching the score listed, you will be able to access the cavern levels. Now, as you might expect, they are also going to be available in other modes or expansions. So you have cavern levels on Surf and Turf, Campfire Cook-Off, Night of Hungry Horde, and finally the Carnival of Chaos. Complete the requirements and you will be able to access the secret cavern levels. I hope I was able to help you on how to unlock cavern levels in Overcooked 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.